The Cloth Merchant and the Elephant. In the bustling markets of Calcutta, a poor cloth seller named Gopal spent all his savings on a roll of fine silk. On the morning of Durga Puja festival, the richest merchant's elephant went mad, trampling Gopal's precious fabrics. The crowd shouted, "Punish it! Kill the beast!" But Gopal noticed a deep wound on the elephant's leg. Instead of anger, he approached gently, whispering, "This innocent animal acts from pain." That night, a wandering Sufi visited Gopal's ruined stall. "You chose water over fire," he said, handing Gopal a single red seed. Gopal planted it in the rubble. The strange sprout grew into a shrub that bore not fruit, but cloth softer than silk, stronger than cotton. The ashamed merchant bought every piece, building Gopal a new shop. The healed elephant returned daily, lifting bolts with its trunk. When asked the secret, Gopal smiled, "Each thread is woven with the kindness I gave the elephant. When you heal instead of hate, life repays you in miracles."